Get strong.
Welcome back to 12 Years Gone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to tie a tie for beginners. This method is very easy. Anyone should be able to do it. Even an 8-year-old should be able to tie this type of tie. Anyways, let us begin. First, make sure that shorter piece, small piece, is shorter than the bigger piece for even ties. We're going to draw it here like this, and it turns around one piece like this. Do it again. Then and you can do this a second time if you would like to. For example, like this, which I'll be doing. Then I'm going to push it inside these two areas right here, up. I can see the tie is the appropriate length. Then I'm going to shoot through this hole. Try to make a small hole first though, and push the tie through it. So as you can see, just fix it a bit and you have a tie tied, and can be used for anything: school, work, and much more. Anyways, I hope you appreciated this video and you learned a lot from it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe as I said earlier, and goodbye.